Hi! In front of me is Realme C21Y, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, select Security over here and tap on Face Unlock. Then enter your current login method, read the disclaimer and tap on Agree at the bottom right corner to continue. Then click on Start at the bottom right corner as well and follow those instructions. After that, you need to select Done one more time. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!